Today we're going to be priming a Trekell wooden coffin panel from their Gore store. We're going to be preparing this for an oil painting. So whenever preparing a wooden panel for an oil painting, one of the things to always remember is that wood is very hygroscopic. This essentially means that the wood experiences a lot of fluctuations because it has a tendency to absorb atmospheric moisture. So the first thing that we want to do is that we want to seal all sides. So we're going to use 4 layers of an acrylic dispersion ground, sometimes commonly known as acrylic gesso. We're going to have opposing directions of our strokes on the front face, and on the back and on the sides we're just going to essentially try to keep it smooth. We're going to let each of those layers dry thoroughly, then move on to do the oil ground. The main thing that we're going to do at this point is we're actually going to start priming our surface with a high density foam roller and a lead oil ground. From here, I'm just going to put a small amount on my tray, get my high density foam roller saturated with the ground, and then just roll it on in a singular direction, trying to avoid any weird roller marks and just essentially trying to have a consistent amount of coverage. But this stage can be done very quickly. There's no sanding in between layers. And I'll just let this dry. Once it's really thoroughly dry, I will apply a second layer. Oil paintings on an extremely smooth surface have a tendency to crack more. So I try to mimic the surface quality of a portrait weave linen. But the real fun is getting to do a painting on a panel that you've prepared yourself.